Hey everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change the password of your eBay account. For this, I am going to use Chrome. You can use a suitable web browser of your choice or even the app itself. So, tap on Chrome, tap on the search a type web address option, enter here ebay.com. This will take you to the official web page of an eBay app. Make sure to get logged in just like me. Now, tap on this profile icon on the top, tap on the three straight horizontal lines on the top left corner. Scroll down and tap on settings option. Tap on sign in and security option on the top. Tap on change password option. Tap on email or username and then enter your email address or even your username. When you're done doing it, tap on continue below. We need to verify that we are a human. So when you've verified it, they have sent us the email to our email address. So tap on receive email below. So I'm going to go to my email address section and then get a verification code for myself. You can do the same. So on the top, you can see that you have a security code. So scroll up and tap on the security code. You can copy it, get back to your own eBay section again, and then paste the particular security code. Now tap on continue below. So you can keep a very new password for yourself, the very comfortable and suitable one. Make sure to make it stronger as well. When you're done doing it, tap on continue option below. So you can see that your password has been reset. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.